Hey roamers, welcome back to the channel. You know, when Cindy bought her 630 e-trike about 3 years ago, I really wanted to get something so that I could go out riding with her. So I ended up buying a Schwinn AL Comp mountain bike. Well, it didn't take long after riding that thing to realize I wasn't 15 anymore. And I needed something that maybe had a little more power to it. So I started looking around for an e-bike. After 3 years, I found the Rattan LM-750 Pro. And we're going to talk about that today in my review. The bike comes very well packed, and there really isn't a whole lot of assembly needed. And it comes with a back seat and a backstop and all the tools and foot pegs and everything that you need in a separate bag. So let's just get through the unboxing and setup. Quite honestly, the assembly was really a breeze. I had no problem getting it done. The whole bike was ready to ride in about a half hour. Complaint, it would be that you have to take the seat out to get the battery out, but that really is minor. I mean, it takes no time at all. It comes with a key, and you have the on, off, and locked buttons. The user interface is really cool. It shows you your battery life, it shows you what level of pedal assist you're on, and there are 5 levels. I gotta say, for going around the RV park, just handling your day-to-day chores, you really can't beat it. I would suggest getting an e-bike. I mean, you don't have to carry a golf cart around with you. And there are a lot of things that the bike can do that a golf cart wouldn't be able to do. We had no problem riding on the pavement. And this is kind of a gravelly pavement. We have no problem riding on the dirt, which is the other part of the RV park. So yeah, I mean, for just going around the RV park and doing your day-to-day chores, going up to the office or going to the mailbox, even taking out your trash, there really isn't any reason that you wouldn't want an e-bike to do that. I mean, if you don't want to pedal, you've got the throttle and you can basically ride it like a scooter. Like I said, I'm taking out my garbage using it, riding over to the dumpsters. It's really a great bike. And with it being only 70 pounds, a little bit more for me because I've added the basket on the back and a couple of things on the handlebars. It is definitely worth having an e-bike, and specifically worth having the Rattan LM-750. Now, if you just want to go out and adventure and not just ride around the RV park, you can do that with the Rattan LM-750 Pro also. It's perfect on pavement. It's perfect on dirt. I've ridden it on gravel, and with the fat tires, you can even ride this thing on sand. Maybe you just have to air down a little bit. Going up and down hills, it's got plenty of power with its 750 amp motor. And you can have a lot of fun with it. Definitely something that you wouldn't be able to do with a golf cart. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next week.